Let's suppose you get the chance of drinking any one of these potions. If you choose this red one, you will have enough energy to work hard in any field you want. And if you choose this blue one, you will have really good luck. Now to get successful in your life, what would you choose? Weird riddle, I know. I found this riddle online, and this raised a question in my mind that what is the way to success? What is more important to get successful in life? Hard work or luck? So I started researching on this. I took some surveys and interviews and scrolled through a lot of articles. And in the end, the results were whoa. They were shocking, weird,
Yes, weird.
and little complicated.
But I think it can be really helpful if you understand it well.
Now first, don't take success in a philosophical way, where you might say that success is just peace of mind. Because in that case, these both things, hard work and luck, might not have any role. I'm not saying this is wrong. I'm just saying that for some time, be a little materialistic and think success as in being rich or being famous or any of your materialistic desire. Then what you think is more important, hard work or luck?
Now that's a thinker.
Well, according to the survey I conducted, around 90% of the people think that hard work is more important. But my other research shows something totally opposite. Because a lot of time we ignore the part of luck in our life. Like when it comes to being rich, the first advantage you have is that if you are born in a wealthy country. Like if you are born in a country like Australia and you compare yourself with people born in countries like Sudan and Afghanistan, then the chances are that you are already wealthier than them. And this is the most basic example. But if you ask any professional sports person that what is the reason of your success, they would probably say that hard work and determination is the reason. But I don't think they would ever say things like that they were lucky enough to be born in January. Yes, because the month you are born in have impact on your sports career. Let's take hockey for example. Around 40% of the professional hockey players are born in the first quarter of the year, and only 10% are born in the last quarter. And this has nothing to do with astrology. The reason is simply that the trial time for hockey usually comes in the start of the year. And at that time, people born in January has a growth advantage than people born in December. So the January person will probably be chosen first and at a better place probably. And I know that this difference should shrink by time, but it doesn't. I told you the statistics. And even your month of birth have impact on your height. According to a study, people born in summer are generally more taller than people born in winter. This is likely related to the vitamin D exposure during the pregnancy. I know that this sounds so unfair, but wait, there are more mind-blowing statistics coming ahead. The chances of you becoming a CEO is influenced by your name or month of birth. The number of CEOs born in June and July is much smaller than number of CEOs born in other months, especially in April and March. Around 30% of the CEOs are born in April or March. Those with names early in the alphabets are more likely to get increment at their job. Now this doesn't mean that if your name starts with A, you will definitely get a raise. No. But let's suppose there are two persons equally talented. One of them is you. Your name starts with A. And the other person's name starts with W. Now let's suppose there's only raise available for one person. And since you both are equally talented, you have generally more chance of getting raised because your name will appear first in the list. People with easy to pronounce name are judged more positively than the people with difficult to pronounce names. Females with masculine sounding names are generally more successful at legal career, and there are many more examples like this. So after all this, you might think that this is so unfair and unethical, and you might even think that all these statements are fake, but they are not. If you want, you can check the references in the description down below. Now as I said, these are statistics. To scientifically prove the role of luck in success, two Italian scientists teamed up with an Italian economist and conducted an experiment. And the results concluded that the most successful ones were those who were averagely talented and had a really good luck. And those who were extremely talented but did not have good luck were not so successful. Now according to this, there might be really talented but unlucky people who might not be getting the success they deserve. That's really bad, I know. But this is what it is. Now another question rises here that, as I said, that a lot of successful people don't consider the part luck played in their success. So is it good or they should really consider luck? Now there are two things. Number one, the people who consider luck as one of the reasons for their success are generally more generous than people who don't consider luck. Because they accept the opportunities which help them to get success and they try to provide those opportunities to others as well. But the other way of the story is that luck is as it is. Even if you ignore it, it won't change. But if you consider luck, there are chances that you might not work as hard as you would normally. You might say that if success is written in my destiny, I would get it anyway. Because a lot of people wrongly combine luck with destiny. But actually they are two very different things. Destiny is something that you will get in the end, doesn't matter what. It's an end product, while luck is just the right opportunity at the right time. Now to sum up, luck has a very important and major role in our life. But that doesn't mean that you should ignore hard work and leave everything to fate. No. In simple words, without efforts, there is no use of good luck. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.